Hey, in this video, I will show you how to find your wallet address on Binance. It's basically the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's a simple tutorial. So before we start, give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. The first thing you want to do is either sign up for Binance from my affiliate link in the description down below, or just go to the App Store, the Google Play Store, click on search, type in Binance, and download the Binance app. It's way easier to use than the website. So just download it and install it. And next thing you want to do, the app should look like this. It should be the light version. It's a little bit simple, but not actually. So you want to click here, switch that off. So you have the professional Binance app where you can deposit, refer, use futures, margin, and all the dangerous stuff that you shouldn't be using. So what you want to do from here to find your wallet address, if a friend wants you to send you some money or something, click on deposit right here, select the coin. For example, let's say that you want to deposit Bitcoin, and here's your address. You can copy it, share it, save the QR code, or whatever. It's very simple. If you still have questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I want to see you next video.